Welcome, engineers. The stress concentration factor. Calculator for stepped shafts determines the stress concentration factor KT at the fillet transition between two different shaft diameters. Let's examine the inputs. First, select your load type from three options: axial tension, bending, or torsion. For this demonstration, I'm using axial tension. Next, enter the large diameter D in millimeters, then input the small diameter D, also in millimeters. The fillet radius R comes next, which is the transition radius between the two diameters. Finally, enter your applied load in newtons. Click Calculate KT factor to run the analysis. Here's our example. With large diameter D equals 50 millimeters, small diameter D equals 30 millimeters, fillet radius R equals 2 millimeters, and applied load of 1,000 newtons, the calculator returns 5 diameter ratios. We get 1.667, 0.067, 2.234, 1.41, and 3.16. These ratios represent different geometric relationships and stress concentration factors that help you evaluate the shaft's critical stress points at the diameter change. This tool streamlines your stepped shaft analysis for mechanical design applications. Find the link in the description below.